Iran's powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps has unveiled a new loitering munition dubbed Rezvan, which it says has a 20-kilometer, 12.4-mile range, according to Iranian media. The new suicide drone reportedly has a flight time of 20 minutes and features a camera on the front that allows it to be controlled from a first-person view. It was revealed by the IRGC during the Payambar-e-Azam, the Great Prophet, 19 military exercise, Iran's semi-official press TV said. Photos in Iranian press appear to show the munition as being launched from a likely man-portable tube, after which its four wings expand for flight. This drone enhances the rapid response units of the IRGC's ground forces, providing them with new capabilities to counter terrorist groups, particularly in complex mountainous terrains, Iran's Tasman news agency said. The unveiling of the Rezvan came around the same time as separate reports in Iranian media said the military planned to acquire 1,000 strategic drones in coming days. Reportedly, the unmanned aerial vehicles to be delivered include Ababil-4 and Ababil-5, which serve multi-purpose missions from reconnaissance, patrolling, and combat operations. The delivery will also include Arash suicide drones. The Hessa Ababil is an Iranian family of single-engine multi-role tactical unmanned aerial vehicles manufactured by Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company, Hessa. The Ababil comes in four main lines, the Ababil 2, 3, 4, and 5, of which the Ababil 2 has a number of variants. It is considered a long-range, cost-effective, low-technology drone. The Ababil program was begun during the Iran-Iraq War. The Ababil-2, developed in the 1990s, has rudimentary surveillance capabilities and can be used as a loitering munition, but is mainly used as a target drone. The larger and more capable Ababil-3, introduced in the 2000s, was designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance use and has improved surveillance capabilities. We have little information about Ababil-4, but it was seen in the 2022 Army Day for the first time. Ababil-5 is the most recent member of this family. It has a greater range and carries more ammunition. Overall, the Ababil has been described a pretty rough and ready system because of its, quote, cheap, simple, and ease of use. According to a report from the United States Institute of Peace, the Ababil-5 has a flight distance of 300 miles and can carry 4 guided anti-tank missiles with a range of 5 miles, or 6 precision-guided 5.3-pound bombs with a range of 3.7 miles. The USIP report does not include stats for the Ababil-4. From Tom Recoy, Chief Revenue Officer at Seagent Technology, interest in unmanned vehicles, especially loitering munitions, has skyrocketed since Russia's invasion of Ukraine, where they've proved lethal and difficult to stop on the battlefield. Iran emerged as a loitering munitions supplier to Moscow, and analysts have told their capabilities have drawn attention from countries the world over, with tighter military budgets and less cordial relationships with the West.